Hey guys, welcome to the channel. Today I'm really excited because we finally got an F-150 in, and these things have been really hard to come by, and every time we get one in, someone snatches it up within the week. So I'm going to take this opportunity to do a video on this one. So this is a 2021 F-150 XLT 302A Sport Appearance Package in Agate Black. So let's take a look at this truck here. So with the 302A, oh, you can see the lights popped on. That's called welcome lighting. You can turn that on or off. I kind of would rather have it off because I don't want the truck to turn on every single time I get near it. But you get LED daytime running lights, you get LED reflector headlights, standard bulbs for the turn signal, and then LED fog lights, which can also act as LED turning lights. I really like the nice black grille. Let's see, is this, I think this might be magnetic or carbonized gray. I'll have to double check on that. But it is a different color than the black. I really like the way it looks. Some people actually like the way the XLT grille looks over the Lariat one. I think I still like the Lariat grille a little bit better, but they both look good. And I really like these wheels and tires. I love having beefy sidewall, so these ones are 275/65 R18s. And I kind of like the wheel design too. I want to know what you guys think of that. But I love how beefy these tires look on this truck here. XLT badge in that same gray finish right there. There is no painted mirror caps, unfortunately. I wish they did that even for the XLT. You have an LED turn signal and the LED mirror spotlights, and if you look underneath, you also get an LED puddle light as well. I really love these trucks. FX4 off-road, smart key access, push button start, and you get the door keypad as well. Just a fixed running board. It looks nice. I wish there was an option to get it without the running board, because I kind of like the clean look without a running board, but that does help for shorter people to get inside. Take a look at the back here. By the way, the third brake light up there is all LEDs on XLT 302As, so that's really nice. Got airplanes, of course. Turn signal and brake lights are standard bulbs, but the reverse light is LED. You can see we got rear parking sensors. This one does have the trailer tow package, backup camera, and your LED bed light to shine behind the truck. You also get LED license plate lights on XLT 302A. No, that's a mouthful. Let's open this up. Let's see. Soft touch, or not soft touch, soft open, which is really nice. No bed liner. Like I mentioned in my previous truck videos, we don't order our trucks with bed liners. The customer can put it in if they want to, but just your standard bed, it's 5.5 feet. You also get LED box lighting. You get this cool power outlet right there. Let's see how many volts it is. 400 watts or 120 volts. Really nice. There is no tie downs or anything inside, which I noticed, but it does have these things. I think this is I think that's bottle opener, or I'm not sure what that is. It also doesn't have the tailgate work surface, but I believe that's an option if I'm not mistaken. And there's also no what's it called, sliding rear window, but again, I think that's an option as well. And you get this nice polished tip right there, your FX4 off-road badge. It just looks like a really nice, clean looking truck. Well, let's go ahead and check under the hood real quick. All right guys, just pop the hood here. This one has the 2.7 liter twin turbo V6, 325 horsepower and 400 pound-feet of torque. It's unchanged from the 2020 model year. You do get nice hydraulic hood struts. You get this cool hood liner with says Ford on it. There is no engine cover on the 2.7, but there is quite a bit of room around it if you need to work. And this is a really good engine. I really like the way this one drives. And this one has a 373 rear end, which I know a lot of people like. And if we look over here at the window sticker, you can see it's 53,390. All right guys, just popped open the door. You get a nice soft touch material up here, soft touch right here, a nice little finish right here. And then I think this is a map of Detroit, if I'm not mistaken. I know some people have mentioned that. There's all your automatic window controls. Front two are automatic up, down, and then the back two are just standard ones. But lots of room in the door panel. You also get power adjustments on the seat right here. This cloth is actually really nice. It's a really comfortable, nice cloth. And then over here you got your mirror spotlights I was telling you about, remote open for the tailgate, and then all your lighting controls, parking brake. There's your pedals down there, just a standard manual telescoping and tilting steering wheel. Let's go ahead and hop inside here. All right, let's go ahead and start this John up. Really cool graphics. Oh, turn off the jams. So right off the bat, the steering wheel feels really nice. It's a nice soft leather. It's nice and squishy. You also get some lane keep assist. Then I think it has some other driver assist technologies, which I'll show you guys in the center screen. You go under features, go to driver assistance, and there's all the driver assist technology you have, which is a lot of them. Really nice. This one has a Pro Trailer backup assist, trailer brake controller, 4-wheel drive. Since it's not a Lariat, you don't get 4-wheel drive auto, but you still get 4-wheel drive and a locking diff on this one. Heated seats, dual zone automatic climate control. There's all your audio controls. The huge 12-inch display, which I really like. Right now I have it in the split screen where it shows the navigation over there. You also get a camera button. This one does not have the 360 camera. I highly recommend getting that, but you do get a massive backup camera. Then your auto start stop, hazards, hill descent control, traction control, all that good stuff. Looking over here, you have that nice finish still. Then this opens up this upper portion. Then the lower portion, I think it does have a light in it, if I'm not mistaken. Yep, has a light, which is really nice. Get a 12-volt right here and a house outlet. Oop, I'm pressing buttons. You also get a lot of storage in here. There's no lid though. Lariats get a lid, and then you get 2 USBs. One is the small USB, and then a little phone holder right here. This one does have the console shifter. I think all the sport packages have the console shifter, which you can put down if you want. That's pretty cool. This one does not have the fold flat work surface though, but this armrest is super soft, really nice. Cup holders, lots of room in there, but it has a bunch of trailer stuff and accessories in there right now, but there's a light in there as well. 2 cup holders back there. Seats are really comfortable. Looking up top, you get an auto dimming rear view mirror, LED lighting for the inside, glasses holder, and I really like that this one does not have a sunroof. I love the black headliner, and I like that it does have a sunroof, because sunroofs for me are kind of I kind of don't like sunroofs because it either is too hot or you don't use it at all. Because if it's open and you're in Vegas, it's way too hot. So I don't know, I just don't like sunroof, and it takes away from your headroom. But let's go ahead and check out the back seat real quick. All right guys, looking at the back seat, nice soft touch up here as well, so I'm glad that they continued it to the back. That cool material and the map. You also get a cup holder, lots of storage space, lots of room back here. These crew cab pickup trucks have so much room. 2 USBs, house outlet, and a 12-volt. That's really cool. It also gets 2 air vents to the back. This one does not have a fold down center armrest though, so that's a little unfortunate. For an XLT 302A, I kind of wish that they put that in there. But let's go ahead and open this up, see what's underneath the seats. A little bit of storage, nothing crazy. Just gonna put that back down. There we go. But overall, back seat's really nice. All right guys, now let's take this truck for a little spin. There we go. I love driving these trucks. Oh, and one thing I forgot to mention is that for some reason the antenna is like more thick towards the bottom on like later production 21s, because I don't remember the early production 21s. Like if you look at my old review videos, having that huge of an antenna base. So if you guys know what that's all about, or you know what, if you know anything about that, please let me know in the comments. But just a little something I noticed. But right off the bat, the ride is super smooth. Transmission is also very great. In these new F-150s, it's really smooth, it's tuned nicely. You still get the occasional, you know, you can feel the downshifts every now and then, but this transmission is fairly smooth, which I really like. And that gauge cluster is really cool as well. You can go through a little assortment of options, trip info, eco coach, all that good stuff. I just like to leave it on either trip or, yeah, we'll just leave it on the trip info. Big navigation and everything. Well, let's turn up on this street and see how the 2.7 performs. We're not gonna go buck wild because it's still a brand new truck and I have respect for the future owners. But we'll test it out a little bit. You can already tell that it's trying to break traction in the back. That is crazy. These 2.7s have so much low end torque, it's insane. Let's get on a little bit here. That is quite something, this 2.7. All right, guys, gonna get one last little test here. We'll accelerate briskly, see how it does. Oh my gosh, okay. It just wants to take off. Yeah, the 2.7, I tell you, that 2.7 is an impressive little engine for sure. I especially recommend it if you're getting like a base model truck and you just want like the littlest options as possible. Definitely get the 2.7 because it's such a good engine. Well worth the price. But anyway, I'm about to park this truck next to this other one. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, please like and subscribe. Follow me on Instagram if you'd like. And I'll see you guys in the next one.